Welcome to my channel. Best used engines to buy in 2025. A simple guide for car owners. 1. Know your car model. Check your car's exact model, year, and engine type before starting. 2. Set your budget. Decide how much you want to spend on a used engine. 3. Choose reliable engine brands. Popular safe choices in 2025: Toyota, Honda, Ford EcoBoost, Hyundai K-Series, Nissan HR engines. 4. Check engine mileage. Lower mileage equals better condition. Aim for under 1 lakh km if possible. 5. Ask for full engine history. Service records, accident history, and maintenance details are important. 6. Inspect for oil leaks. Look for leaks around the head, block, and seals. 7. Hear the engine running. If possible, check startup sound, idling, and smoke. 8. Buy from a trusted seller. Choose certified used parts dealers, verified scrapyards, or reputed online stores. 9. Check warranty. Always select an engine that comes with at least 30 to 90 days warranty. 10. Install by a professional mechanic. Proper installation ensures performance and avoids future issues. Thanks for watching.